strange creature? Although it looks like a centipede at first glance, it is actually a bristle worm living on the seabed. There are thousands of thin bristles around their body. These are not just bristles, they can be poisonous weapons to escape from enemies. Therefore, do not touch a creature like this with your hands. These wonderful creatures, who act as cleaners of the ocean floor, are very important to the ecosystem. To know more about such wonderful